Alright, so it's been 2 hours. It's kind of gone up probably to half the size, or double, at least double its size. So I'm just gonna tip it out of the bowl. Whoops. And I'm gonna knead it up again. Just put a bit of flour on the table so that you can just give it another knead. You can feel that it's got a bit of, don't mind me, it's not a great position for this camera. It's got a bit of strength in it now. You can feel that it's like it's got strength. Alright, so what I'm going to do, it's not sticking to my hands. I'm actually trying to get it towards an Italian loaf. You can do a round loaf. You can do however you want, whatever shape you want. You kind of want to, I don't know how this is supposed to be done. I just assume. I guess that's probably about right. I want the smoothest side on the top. So that's probably as smooth as you can do it. It's probably about right. It's gonna go there. On a piece of parchment, so that when you lift it, you just do a little bit longer, because it's going to shrink up a little bit. Oops. There we go. Alrighty. On the parchment, I turn the oven on 425. I've got a stone in there, so it's heating up. I'm going to leave that for 45 minutes. Cover that again. And then I'll show you the rest of it. I'm going to do my next loaf because I'm doing 2 of them. Alright.